Hi everybody, my name is Mr Edy and I'm a science teacher here at the Academy. I'd just like to show you some of the amazing science experiments and practicals we can do in our very specialised labs. So science is a really hand-on subject. We like to use lots of Bunsen burners. In a minute I'm just going to burn some metal salts dissolved in some ethanol in a flame, which is you might enjoy seeing next time you go to fireworks. So as much as possible we like to do some hands-on biology dissections, including classic heart dissection. So here we've got a really nice experiment where we heat up a can, change in pressure, cause the can to crush just by using air pressure. In fact, one of my favourite experiments is investigating stoichiometry. Stoichiometry. And a bit more stoichiometry. This is one of my favourite scientific demonstrations. I've got some paraffin wax on fire in there. There's a little bit of water. I'm going to squirt the water into the paraffin wax. The water's going to sink to the bottom, instantly boil, expand, push the paraffin wax out of the way. You should get a nice blue fire. Woo! Oh. Just one. I'll do. So this is a Van de Graaff generator, and we use it for investigating static electricity. Sometimes the fun side of static electricity. You've all seen this on the slider at trampoline. But we can also investigate hazards of static electricity. Biology, of course, is the study of life. So you have to pop in and see Mr Kelly's frogs. So using the kit in the lab, we can investigate the microscopic world and even investigate our own skin cells. So here's a nice reversible reaction for you. We've got some mixture here. As we shake it, it's going to get blue, peek some oxygen into the mix, and when I leave it, the oxygen's going to diffuse back out. It's going to get back to this kind of yellowy colour. It'll take ages to get back to the colour. So there's lots of experiments to look forward to when you come to secondary school, but in the meantime, let's try some science at home. So this is a really fun experiment to look at the pH scale of a bunch of your household random products. So what you'll need is some red cabbage, a pestle and a mortar, or if you haven't got one of those, a blender can work really well, some tap water and a range of household products to test. So it's really simple. All you need to do is smush up your red cabbage like I have here in your pestle or mortar, or blend it, add a bit of water. That helps get the pigmentation out of the cabbage, and then I've used funnel and filter paper, but you can use your household colander perfectly well, just to filter that mixture. Leaves you with this amazing purple coloured solution at the bottom here. And then if you just take that and any of your normal household products. So now you've made your indicating solution, next thing you need to do is find some things to test. So with adult supervision only, have a look around your house and look at certain products that you can test. So I've got some vinegar, some lime juice, some soap, some toothpaste. What you'll need is some clear glassware to put a small amount of the solution to test in there, add a bit of your indicator. Acidic solutions will go really red, alkaline solutions will go blue to green, and neutral solutions will stay purple. So, before you do your test, try making a prediction about what colour you think it will go. So I'm just going to demonstrate one test for you, and then you can pause the video, go and find your own to look at. So I'm going to look at soap. Soap is a bit fiddly because sometimes you have to scrape a bit of the soap off, or the substance off, and dissolve it in a bit of water to get a nice solution. then just add a touch of your indicator solution. It goes nice turquoise colour, means it must be alkaline. So now you can pause the video, go find your own solutions to test, and make predictions about them before you test them, and then watch the rest of the video later on to see my results. So I hope you enjoyed doing your own investigation there. Once you've done your testing of your solutions, you'll find they all change colour, and then, depending on the severity of that colour, in the order of most acidic, darker red, through to most alkaline, being at the other end of the spectrum with neutral in the middle. I hope you enjoyed doing some science at home. Can't wait for you to come and do some science